Welcome to Caya 2 at Arabian Ranches 3, one of Dubai's most sought after villas communities. Hello everyone, my name is Bilal Saleem. I'm a community specialist, and today in this video I will show you a 4-bedroom standalone villa in Caya 2. It's not just a home, it's a lifestyle. Let's have a look. Welcome to this stunning 4-bedroom villa in Caya 2, Arabian Ranches 3. The elegant facade and a spacious private garage set a graceful tone for the luxurious lifestyle inside. As we enter into this villa, a bright and airy foyer welcomes you in. On the right, there is a guest bedroom with an attached bathroom, perfect for friends or family staying over. Next to it, a storage area and a maid's room with its own washroom and everyday convenience. To the left, you will find a fully closed kitchen designed for both functionality and style. The living and dining area is open, spacious, and perfect for family gatherings. Step out into the backyard where lush green landscaping and a serene view of Central Park create a peaceful outdoor retreat. Now we are moving towards first floor. Moving upstairs, on the left side, a bedroom with built-in wardrobes welcome you, offering soothing views of Pocket Park outside. Next to it, it's a beautiful designed bathroom, followed by another cozy bedroom, ideal for children or guests. On the right, the master bedroom stands out, featuring a walk-in closet, a modern in-suite bathroom, and a private balcony. From here, you can relax in the evening breeze and enjoy the panoramic view of Central Park, a signature of life in Arabian Ranches 3. Heading to the third floor, a spacious open terrace awaits, perfect for evening barbecues, family gatherings, or simply unwinding under the Dubai sky. Right now, the seller is asking 8 million for this villa, and the expected rental income is around 475,000 annually, making it a strong investment opportunity. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you're looking to buy a home in Arabian Ranches 3, my name is Bilal, your community expert. I will be happy to guide you according to your exact requirements and help you to find a perfect home in Dubai. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.